my recording.
Good morning. Life is not a smooth journey. Instead, it is a roller coaster ride. But trust me, all the ups and downs are worth it. There may be dark times, but it will teach you how to balance your mind. A stone is broken by the last stroke of hammer. This doesn't mean that the first strokes were useless. So today's food for thought is success is the result of continuous and persistent effort. Thank you.
So that part is over. And the next one is word of the day. So today's word of the day is said to be inevitable, that cannot be avoided from happening. Okay, inevitable, 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 that cannot be avoided from happening. Okay, let's move to the next part, that is pledge. Repeat it along with me. 1 second. Yes, I,
I
Indumati,
Aditya,
commit to be
commit to be
vigilant.
vigilant.
I cannot hear all of your sound. Why? Unmute yourself and tell me. And bear in mind
Bear in mind
at all times
at all
at
times
all times
the risks to myself
the risk
risk
to
to
myself
myself
and my colleagues
and my
and my
colleagues
colleagues.
from COVID-19.
from COVID-19.
I promise to take
I promise to take
all necessary precautions
all
All
necessary
necessary precautions
that prevent the spread of
that prevent the spread of
this deadly virus.
this deadly virus.
I promise to follow
I promise to
to
follow
follow
and encourage
and encourage
encourage
others to follow
others to
others to follow
the key COVID appropriate behaviors.
the
the
key COVID appropriate behavior.
key
Follow the key
Follow the key
follow the key
COVID appropriate behaviors.
COVID appropriate behavior.
To always wear a mask
So always wear a mask
always wear a mask
or face cover,
or face cover,
especially
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 when in public places.
when in
and
public
in public
places.
places.
To maintain
To maintain
To maintain
a minimum distance of
a minimum
minimum
distance of
distance of
6 feet
6
6
feet
feet
from others,
from
from
others,
others,
to wash my hands
to
to
wash
wash
my
my hands
hands
frequently
frequently
and thoroughly
and thoroughly
with the soap and water.
with soap and water.
Together,
Together,
we will win
we will
with
win
this fight
this fight
fight
against COVID 19.
against COVID-19.
Thank you. So, this is going to be your OR gate, okay, where OR gate will be implemented with the addition operator, right? Plus operator. You will be having two inputs A, B, and that is given here as a switch, A, B switch. A, B, one is A, another one is B. It is somewhat slightly broken because it was in college for a long time. So we will see whether it is working. Yesterday itself it is working fine, one or two is not working. And we will pass in input as 0 0. Here we have diodes, transistors, and power source for positive and negative values, and LED bulb for viewing the output result, that is y plus a, y equal to a plus b. We will be getting some output, no? So we will get in the format of LED. If it is not blowing, then it is said to be zero state. If it is blowing, then it is said to be one state. Okay, so according to OR, if you are giving 0 0, what do you mean by 0 0? This, both the switches are in off state. Off is 0, one is said to be off state is 0, one state is said to be on state. Okay, or you can mention like this: true, false, yes, no. Okay, 0 1, all are same. Okay, this input is going to be 0 0 for first one, so it is in off state. Both the state are said to be off state, and the output is also said to be off state. You won't get any LED bulb, no, so it is not glowing. So any one of the input is 1, or if both the input is going to be 1, then the output will be 1, then the bulb will be in one state. So we will see how it is going to work. One second. Can you see? I have given B as 1 now. If I'm giving A as 1, it's a bit tough to. One second, I'll just adjust it and then I'll show it to you. Yeah. So if you see, the A switch is on state now. So B is set to be in the off state. Then output will be 1. If both the inputs are going to be 1, also the output will be 1. Any one of the input is 1 also, the output will be 1. If both the inputs are going to be 0, then the output will be 0. And regarding AND gate, you have some difference between and OR here. The passing of input, where you will be passing input B to the one of the diode, another diode will be passing both the input of particular diode as well as A input will be passed to another diode, and A resistor will have the negative value of the power source. So here for AND gate, as usual, you have power source, resistor, diodes, and LED, right? So it will work according to the condition. It is in on state now. The bulb should be, LED should be non, something is happening. The previous video it was working, something happened because I have connected lots of wire backside of this, so I have pasted the paper, so I have to remove it and I have to check with the connections. If both the inputs are going to be 0, then the output will be H. It's glowing now. So if both the input is going to be 1, it is 1. A and B are going to be 1, then the output will be 1. If any one of the input is in off state, then it will not glow. See. Okay. The switch is not in working condition, so it will not show like the right one. So 1 0 will be 0, it will not glow. 0 1 will be 0. 0 into 0, obviously we have 0 here. Only possible condition is 1 into 1, that is 1. And for NOT gate, actually it's not working fine. Only OR gate is working fine now as per now. So we have only one switch for NOT gate. Power source is given, resistor. Instead of we will be using conversion, so inverter gate should be used, no? So for that we will be using transistor 2 here. The only difference is transistor, it is broken. I don't know how it broke, so it's not working. Okay, so if it is in 0 state, then the LED will have the output will have the 1 state. If it is in one state, then the output will be in zeroth state. Okay, this is the working example. That's how we are getting the input and output combinations. I'll leave the meeting from my phone. Okay, so this is what about the AND or a NOT gate. I think it's downloaded. We'll see. So first thing you have to do is you have to write the program. I will guide you. Okay, this is a question given. So the tariff, according to the tariff, we will be constructing a program by inputting the consumer name, consumer number, the present month which we are going to calculate for the bill, and the units consumed. And we have to prepare a bill called electricity bill that will be displayed at last. Okay, even if you want, you can go for scanner. They have given it using input stream reader. What is the first step you will be doing? Import statement, import java.util. If you want to go for scanner dot star, this is the first point you should write. Okay, what is the second one? Class electricity or electric something short in the short form. Bill, e-bill, also you can write e-bill. You are going to create a bill, right? Yeah. What is the next step? Scanner sc equal to new scanner. We cannot copy which is given in the book. We can write our own program. Why should we copy? Those who want, you can copy, but it will not be helpful while you are writing in the exams. Okay, so this is the first step. And what are all the instance variables we have to declare? You can do here or under the scanner, no issues. Wherever you want, you can do. We have to get the name of consumer, that is string name. You next one is set to be consumer name, consumer number, month, and unit. So month also we will be giving it in string, right? Month, both are in string. And next one is consumer number. If you want to go for what will be the consumer number, can you tell me? Hmm? You have to do this one along with me. If you want, you can go for input stream reader or scanner, it's your wish. So we have to give the consumer number. It can be in int, c underscore n, num, or whatever it is. And amount or month we will be using. Anything I'm missing here? Units consumed. Yes, units in the sense we will have in decimal. Either it can be in float or in double. Okay, units. So we can make it as float.
Miss, why do we have 2 month variables?
Yeah. Okay. So what are all the inputs we are going to get? We have to give print that first. Please enter this and all. So you are requesting the computer to ask you. So you want the computer to ask you whatever is needed. Enter name, whatever is needed, month, and whatever needed, then consumer number, Go and what is needed then? Number of units consumed. Consumed. So first thing you are going to do is getting the name. SC dot next line or next method. Which one to be used?
Miss, I have a doubt. Should we not give PSVM statement?
Okay. Thanks for reminding. Without that, you should not write. If it is blue jay, then automatically we will get error in that line. Since we are writing it in, so this is for class and this is for PSVM. So name we have given, and then we have to go for month. Month also we will be using string only. Why? SC dot next. Why we are using string for month? Anyone tell me? Since month will be given like this, right? We have either slash, or sometimes we may leave some space with a dot or slash or whatever we want. So combinations of what? Characters or special digits, or the combination of numbers along with the special characters. Likewise, if you want, you can give like this also. It's your wish. Okay, to make it understanding, I'm giving that. So month is given, and then what is to be given? Yes, tell me. Month is given, consumer number. Number I have given con underscore num equal to sc dot next int. It is int, right? Next int method. And at last,
Miss,
units.
can we use long, miss?
Yeah, you can use. If you are going to use a long number like Aadhaar card,
Phone
okay.
number like
Yeah,
that.
phone number likewise, you can go for that. Units equal to, like, you have to think. I have told you, right, while introducing data types and memory which you are going to use. If you are using 100 ml milk, and if you are storing that in a 1 liter container, that's not suitable. Okay, memory is wasted. Likewise, whatever is needed, you can go for that. And units consumed, that will be in float. Next float. So these are the input. Okay, you should give the input like this. So we are going to give some input and some output we will be getting. So this is input only. I have typed the input. So what if you want to see the particular output? So if you want to get the output like this, how will you do that? Already we have given consumer number, consumer name, bill for the month. I didn't write this, no? OCT in short form. Okay, October. So for the month of October, units consumed. How will you get this? So to get this, I have to print all these inputs which I've got. Or how to print it? System dot out dot println consumer name. Okay. con underscore. No, I have given only the name. You have to give exactly the same variable name which is given in the input. You have to go back and check. நான் என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கேன், NAME name தான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். So I have to mention name here. Then only it will fetch out the name. You have to print some /n/t and all to get the same output. Okay. How will you print this? So second one is said to be consumer number. Getting and printing is most important than calculating. Most of you cannot write that properly. I don't know why. What is the next thing needed? Actually, we have given CON_NUM for consumer number. Yes, I have written like that. What is the next one? Month. Month is the same, MONTH. I'm going to give system.out.println month. Bill for the month. Ritika, whoever is absent, you can type me, ma. I didn't take attendance today. So bill for the month, we have to give that plus MONTH. Getting and printing is most important, as I told you before. And units consumed, again, SOPLN, system.out.println, units consumed. Okay, if you want to get that, units. Whatever the given variable, I have to mention the same. And at last, I didn't mention the amount, right? I forgot to mention it. I will do it now. The final amount.
You need to create a variable for that, no?
Yeah, I forgot to do that. I have to do. So amount. AMT also is enough. We have to go back there. And receipt number also I didn't give. I will go back here. A receipt number in the form of int. RECT underscore or dot number. And then what else to be added? Amount. Amount in the form of float or double. AMT. Okay, if you want, you can give AMT equal to 0.0, units equal to 0.0. Whatever we are going to calculate, we can mention that as equal to 0.0. Whenever you are going to calculate something, you are going to find an addition, sum, you are going to use some variable called sum. You are going to add two variables and store that inside that sum, right? So beforehand, you have to store that equal to 0.0 here. Okay, don't forget that. What I have done here,
I have finished.
I didn't give anything regarding the logic. I am just giving the, you finished.
Yes,
Just wait, Aditya. So receipt number. And what is the variable I have given? RE something like this. I can't remember, but it should be same. In between, you can add /n here, /n/t, whatever is needed before or after this one or before this one, you can add /n and all. /n will go to the next line, /t will give you tab spacing. Bill and all, they will be giving it in, sometimes they will be giving it in tabular column, likewise. So heading will be in some sort, they will print some heading, and inside that heading, they will partition. This is for this one. So they will partition that, right? Likewise, also we can do. We have many sort of programming techniques. You want to share, Aditya? Yes. So
yes,
today what we have seen, just inputting what they have asked for. Just we are giving the inputs and we are printing the output. And we will see this one in the next session, that is implementing 100 units, more than 100, less than 100. You can open it, Aditya. Who else is absent today? Marudan left in between. Aditya, you can open, or Akshendra. He is also ready.
It's also business.
Isn't
It's not visible.
Yeah, it is visible now. He has done the whole one. Yes. Scanner, name, month, and count, consumer number, units, and what is that? Costa.
oh, yes, miss.
Okay.
For the bill.
Okay. You can change it into amount.
Yes, miss.
You are not going to buy anything, right? Marudan is joining. Who else is absent, ma? Go down, Aditya. Go down. If, else, if, yeah. This is the one which I have expected. We have to implement this one. We will see tomorrow or next day, whenever we are meeting. We will solve this one along with the inputs. Okay. Akshendra,
Ma'am, I didn't do this, ma'am, but something related to this, ma'am.
yeah, you can show it.
Ma'am, this is actually for registration in my classes, ma'am. So I made it for them.
Okay.
Uh,
Name, father or husband's name, date of birth, age. Okay, age will be, what is the data type of age? You should change it into float, because age may be
ma'am,
the 0.5, 0.7, likewise, no?
yes, ma'am, but it came for me, ma'am, in int itself. Last time you said, right?
It will come, but you should write it with, if you are 13.5, 13.8, you can mention that.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, option 1, option 2, senior member, junior member. Citizenship.
No, ma'am, it's for classes, ma'am. Basic. I mean,
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Nice work. And somebody asked me for programs, I will send you. Okay. We will meet later. I think our time is up, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. See you tomorrow or day after
Thank
tomorrow.
you, miss.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yes.